Hi guys, this is Ces or Cherry Voices and I'm here to share with you kung anong mga napulot kong aral sa week 2 session namin sa CVAP. So this session is one of my favorite sessions kasi sobrang siksik sa learnings. Ang dami mong mapupulot na aral and those are practical tips in voice acting. Thanks to our mentor Brian Dave Perez or Kamba Brian, I always had this fear of not being able to make my dream of becoming a voice artist come to life. Kasi I feel like I lack the necessary skills in audio editing. Kaya thank you sa ating CVAP mentors kasi talagang ginaid nila tayo sa kung anong sa process ng editing and all the technical stuff that we need to know sa audio production. Yan. So, simulan natin sa usapang mic. Tinuruan kami sa types of microphones like dynamic, USB, and condenser microphone. So, tatlong types yon. Next is yung polar patterns na microphones like omnidirectional or it captures sound from all directions. Second, ay bidirectional or sensitive to sound from both the front and back. And third is unidirectional or focuses on sound from only one direction or usually the front. So, kailangan din natin malaman yon para alam natin kung napipick up ba ng mic natin yung sound kasi baka ano lang siya, unidirectional tapos dito pala tayo nagsasalita, di ba? So parang kailangan din nating malaman yun para ma-maximize natin yung quality ng ating mic at maging magandang ating output. Next naman, ito, favorite ko rin to, yung mga essential studio setup. So, tinor kami ni Sir Brian sa Danny Mandia Studio. Natutunan namin yung sa acoustic foam, pop filter, condenser mic, monitoring headphones, and tablet for script reading and yung monitor kung saan sync mo yung audio mo doon sa visual material, especially during dubbing. And gusto ko rin i-share yung mga home recording studio essentials natin. Dito ako na-excite na part kasi doon nagsisimula hindi naman sa nagsisimula. Pero nung na-discover ko na gusto ko pala maging voice artist, ang problema ko lang naman talaga, wala akong studio na alam or like, hindi ko alam saan ako mag-record. Kung sa bahay man, feeling ko hindi siya conducive for recording. Kaya, dito ko na-excite kasi may mga tips doon kung ano yung mga equipment like for soundproofing, yan, mga voice box, yan. So parang, na-excite ako kasi, okay, meron palang ganito na pwede kong magamit kahit nasa bahay lang ako and it will reduce the sound, the background noise. I mean, pinahapyaw kaming turuan ng basic audio editing. So, meron tayong Audacity na software and also the Adobe Audition. Personally, matagal ko na ginagamit yung Audacity. And yeah, it's really user-friendly. Madali siyang gamitin. Hindi siya komplikado, kumbaga. Next naman, tinuruan din kami how to develop our voice and market our talent by none other than Papa Lem or the Voice Papi. Yan. Sobrang fun lang, chill lang, napaka-interactive at informative ng session na to. Ang dami ko rin talagang natutunan. Diyos ko, hindi ko siya masasabi lahat. Binigyan kami ng lahat ng mga tips na to, pero hindi siya magiging useful kung kami rin sa mga sarili namin ay hindi kami mag-exert ng effort. And that's it for my week 2 vlog and I hope that you learned something. I hope that you learned something from this. Bye-bye.